Yes, good morning students. In the previous video beta we have studied about that for doing any kind of work we need energy. And what do you mean by energy? Energy is the ability to do work. So now in this video we will discuss about that for doing work we need energy and from where we get this energy. Yes, you know very well we get energy from the food. Now, in the food, beta, there are too many ingredients. You can say food is categorized into five main groups. You have already studied in the previous class, and the five components of the food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. And beta, carbohydrate provide us energy. And in which food carbohydrate is present? Carbohydrate is present in the chapati, you can say, bread, potato, है ना? And second component is proteins. Proteins is very much necessary for the growing children, and growing children need maximum proteins because protein helps in the growth of the child. And in which food protein component is present? Yes, in the milk, eggs, cheese, butter, you can say, pulses, all pulses, and maximum in soya bean protein is present. And now fats also provide you energy, and fats provide you double energy than carbohydrate. If you will eat same quantity of carbohydrate and fat, then you will get about double the amount of energy from the fats. And fats is present in oily substances like butter, ghee, nuts, you can say, oily substance. So now vitamins and minerals. You should take vitamins and minerals more, and they are present in fruits and vegetables. So beta, you should eat fruits and vegetables more, because in fruits and vegetables vitamins and minerals are present. So now you can decide your plate according to the nutrition guide which is given by the US Department. It is a food circle, beta, depicting a plate, and your plate must be divided into five main groups. How? In the plate, 30% grains must be there, then 40% vegetables, 10% fruits, 20% protein. And with this, a glass of milk, or you can say curd or yogurt cup, any one thing you can take with your plate, which contains 30% grains, 40% vegetables, 10% fruits, 20% proteins. So what you have learned? You have learned you should eat oil, butter, confectionery chocolates, biscuit, cakes in less quantity, and you should eat fruits and vegetables in more quantity. So in this pic, as you are depicting, picked in page number 119, grandfather is there and son is there, and he is asking from his grandfather that we get energy from the ingredients of food that we eat. But from where do these ingredients get energy? Very good question he is asking. Ki these ingredients, in these ingredients, from where energy comes? Yes, energy in different ingredients directly or indirectly come from plants, because we get these components from the plants. So in these ingredients energy comes from the plants. As you can see, yes, in this diagrams you can see bread. Bread is made from wheat flour, and from where we get wheat flour, which comes from the wheat plant. So in the bread energy comes from the plants. You can observe yourself. Now see cucumber. Cucumber comes from cucumber plants. So energy in the cucumber comes from the plants. Yes, next in the diagram it has been shown that cheese is made from milk. You will say ki in this milk we get from animals, but you should see these animals, cows, buffalo, goats. What do they eat? They eat plants. It means from where these animals get energy? These animals getting energy from the plants. So indirectly in the cheese energy comes from plants. Next, if you eat tomato fruit come from the tomato plant. So energy in the tomato is from the plant. Then lettuce leaves you are observing in this diagram come from the lettuce plants. So now you have seen that energy directly or indirectly in the food component comes from plants. Now you will ask from me, or you can ask from each other, then from where plants get energy? If in these food ingredients energy comes from the plants, then in the plants from where energy comes? Yes, plants also need energy, and they take energy from their food, and plants carry out which process? Photosynthesis, to make their food. So they get energy from the sunlight. Chlorophyll is there in the leaves, and chlorophyll, what is the function of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll traps sunlight. Plants also make their food in the presence of artificial sources of light such as electric bulb or tube lights. There are many forms of energy. Sun gives us light, it is a form of energy. It is used by plants to make food. Can anybody will tell me, are there any other forms of energy? There are any other forms of energy also that perform different activities in our daily life. So what do you learn from this video? You have learned from this video that we get energy from the ingredients, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and these ingredients get energy from the plants directly or indirectly. That's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.